Hey everyone, once again welcome to Jennifer Fitness Fuel. Today our topic is healthy snacks ideas for a diet plan. So let's start. Maintaining a healthy diet plan doesn't mean you have to sacrifice delicious snacks. In fact, incorporating healthy snacks into your routine can help you stay on track with your goals and avoid unhealthy food cravings. Here are some tasty and nutritious snack ideas to include in your diet plan. 1. Fresh fruit. Fresh fruits are nature's candy, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Enjoy a variety of fruits like apples, bananas, berries, oranges, and grapes. Pair them with a tablespoon of nut butter for added protein and healthy fats. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, calcium, and probiotics. Opt for plain Greek yogurt and add your favorite toppings such as chopped fruits, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey for sweetness. 3. Vegetable sticks with hummus. Cut up crunchy vegetables like carrots, celery, bell peppers, and cucumbers into sticks. Pair them with a serving of hummus, which is rich in protein and fiber, for a satisfying and nutritious snack. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, and pumpkin seeds are all nutrient-dense snacks packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. However, portion control is important as they are calorie-dense. Enjoy a small handful, about 1 ounce, as a snack. 5. Rice cakes with avocado. Opt for whole grain rice cakes and top them with mashed avocado. Avocado provides heart-healthy fats and fiber, while rice cakes offer a satisfying crunch. Sprinkle some sea salt or pepper for added flavor. 6. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients. They are portable, easy to prepare, and can be enjoyed on their own or paired with whole grain crackers or sliced vegetables. 7. Smoothies. Blend together a combination of fruits, leafy greens, and a liquid base like almond milk or coconut water to create a refreshing and nutritious smoothie. You can also add protein powder, chia seeds, or flax seeds for an extra nutritional boost. 8. Roasted chickpeas. Rinse and drain canned chickpeas, toss them with olive oil, and season with spices like paprika, cumin, or garlic powder. Roast them in the oven until crispy for a delicious and crunchy snack high in protein and fiber. 9. Dark chocolate. Indulge in a small piece of dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, to satisfy your sweet tooth. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants and may offer various health benefits, including improved heart health. 10. Homemade energy balls. Mix together oats, nut butter, honey, and add-ins like chia seeds, dried fruits, or dark chocolate chips. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and refrigerate for a quick and energizing snack. Remember to practice portion control and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. These snack ideas can be incorporated into a well-balanced diet plan to support your overall health and weight management goals. Enjoy exploring different flavors and combinations to find your favorite healthy snacks. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.